Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to explore the fascinating world of the manufacturing industry. The manufacturing industry is a sector that encompasses the production of goods from raw materials or components. It involves processes such as designing, prototyping, and mass production of products for consumer or industrial use. Manufacturing plays a pivotal role in the global economy, contributing to job creation and economic growth. Factories are the backbone of the manufacturing industry, where machines and skilled workers transform materials into finished products. Various sectors fall under the manufacturing industry, including automotive, electronics, textiles, and pharmaceuticals. Manufacturing processes have evolved over time, adopting advanced technologies like automation, robotics, and artificial intelligence. These advancements help improve efficiency, reduce costs, and ensure consistent quality in the production process. In the manufacturing industry, quality control is crucial, involving rigorous testing and inspection to meet stringent standards. The industry also focuses on sustainable manufacturing practices, minimizing waste and environmental impact. Manufacturing is truly a global industry, with supply chains spanning countries and continents. This industry faces challenges like fluctuating market demands, global competition, and technological disruptions. However, the manufacturing industry continuously embraces innovation, adapting to changing trends and demands. Skilled workers in the manufacturing industry are in high demand, with opportunities for career growth and development. From simple household items to complex machinery, the manufacturing industry is responsible for the products we use in our daily lives. The future of manufacturing is promising, with the integration of technologies like 3D printing and Internet of Things, IoT. In conclusion, the manufacturing industry is a dynamic and vital sector that shapes our world through the production of goods. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content.